Hey, you ever notice how some homes feel amazing in this Florida heat? It's not the thermostat. It's not luck. What it is a proper sized air conditioner for the conditioned space. A lot of times I come upon old systems, and before we put in the new system, we give it our evaluation. So we check our static pressure, we check all the electrical to make sure that it's sized for the proper heat kit. We check the ductwork, we check everything, okay, to make sure that everything is going to fit the new equipment, and the new equipment is going to get the maximum SEER that the equipment is rated for. So for example, if you're buying a 4-ton, 18 SEER piece of equipment, you want to get your 18 SEERs out of that equipment. And the only way that's going to happen is if your ducts are sized properly, okay? You have to have the right size return. You have to have the right supply. And your static pressure has to be anywhere from about 0.5 to 0.8 maximum on the systems that we like to install, the variable systems that we like to install. So if this is not done properly, you can buy the machine and have problem after problem after problem. Your blower motors might blow. You might get a little sweat on your air handler. These things will give you issues if the ductwork is not sized properly. Unfortunately, a lot of these homes in Florida are old and were built a long time ago, so the ducts are not sized properly. So when we come to these homes and we give these customers estimates, our estimates include the corrections, the correct way to do this. You have to do this the correct way. If not, if you skip this step and you do not do this and you do not size the air conditioner properly, what you're going to get is a lot of callbacks and an upset customer. So my suggestion to most customers is to get your ductwork checked. If it's older than 20, 25 years old, just replace it. New 454 and the new R32 refrigerants, they require a lot of airflow, just like the 410A systems did. Now, the R22 systems didn't require as much airflow. Them operated on a lower pressure. The coils were made out of copper. So we had copper coils with less pressure inside the coils. So we had a stronger metal with less pressure. Now we have aluminum coils with high pressure on the aluminum coils. And now we have high pressure on aluminum coils with flammable refrigerant. What's next? We're gonna have there's gonna be an igniter that you just, press and woof. What are you gonna do? Start putting igniters in the coils? I mean, all jokes aside, guys, make sure your systems and your ducts are sized properly, because if not, it's gonna be a nightmare. When your air don't blow, call There We Go.